Hello everyone, today I will record a form. How to install the software of the foam cutter. First, how to install the CNC software of the cutting machine. First, determine the version of your computer. If it's Windows 10 system, you can choose this Windows 10 system. Double-click to open it. Then what about the CNC21015 above? There are numbers. Download the top one first. Next. Allow this operation. After it's downloaded, we can download the one below. Also install it. Install. OK. Then return. Then copy this file to our C drive. Find x86 and then find this software. Copy and paste. It is to replace the target file with the one you just copied. After the replacement is completed, right-click on this icon and send to desktop shortcut. Then go to D drive. Find the cutting machine software. There is an activation code here. And here is a registration code. Pull it down here. Then there is an activation license. We are here. Then copy it. When you connect the machine on the control panel, this string of numbers will appear. Then we copy this string of numbers and paste it here. Then click OK and it's done. The machine can be used. The software is installed.